We will begin with a big #1 birthday for Celia Ann Marie Cobb. What a marvelous picture right there. Those are cool socks, Celia Ann Marie. Birthday wishes coming with love from Mom, Dad, and Grandma as she turns the big #1 in Pittsburgh.
Next, we have Kedrick Tumbleson out of Frontenac, and Kedrick is turning 9 today. Happy birthday, Kedrick. I like your shirt and hat.
That's good. In Southwest City, Miguel Villatoro Jr. now double digits. Miguel celebrating the big #10. And I want you to know that these birthday wishes come with love from Mama, brother, and your sissy.
We have Cooper Reed turning 11 out of Columbus. Happy birthday, Cooper.
And also in the bus, Catherine King, K squared. She is celebrating her 11th birthday as well. Happy birthday, Miss Catherine.
We have Easton Clark out of Girard, and it is his golden birthday, turning 12 years old. Happy birthday, Easton.
We got another golden birthday. Put the 12 on the 12 for Connor Corralejo. Connor, a very happy birthday to you, my man, as he is in McCune.
Talon Thompson out of Pittsburgh turns 30 today.
We're big on our birthday alliterations. We had Catherine King, we had Talon Thompson, and we've got Wyatt Westoff. I'll bail you out, man. I'll bail you out. Wyatt, a happy 39th birthday, despite the fact that you see him behind bars in Branson right there. He hails from St. Paul.
We have Mary Church turning 90 today. Mary is out of Joplin. Happy birthday, Mary.
Cool little picture right there.
Definitely.
Happy birthday, Miss Church. Our good friend Argie Hickman is turning 82 in Deerfield. Argie, very happy birthday to you. Sybil Koger, and he's celebrating in Crestline. And the birthday parties commence. We'll start with Kim Brown in Columbus.
We have Dalton Gregory,
Where at?
also in Columbus, and Hallie Gray turning
Where at?
11, Columbus. Last, certainly not least, we have Gina Coombs out of Frontenac, and it is Gina's 39th birthday.
Happy birthday, Miss Gina. Bronte and I will be cruising down to Columbus here later on, because chances are we just stopped by somebody's house. We'll just be like, you guys having a birthday today?
True.
Stop
Yeah,
in,
so
grab some cake.
Be on the lookout.
We'll make it happen. So if you see Bronte and I on your front porch, do not be alarmed. We are not like pulling a Mike Wallace on you and yelling, why'd you do it? We're simply there for the birthday cake. Happy birthday and happy